So our last project, other than the final exam, is the visual argument presentation. This is 3 to 5 minutes of an analysis of some visual argument. You can pick any argument that you want to analyze. It can be an advertisement, an internet meme, public service announcement. You can even create one if you want to analyze the one you created. It doesn't matter. It can also be a moving image or a still image, so you can pick one that's just a picture. You can pick one that's a video. Do keep in mind if you do pick a video, that does not count towards your presentation time, so don't think that you can get away with having less actual speaking because the video runs. So do keep that in mind. Once you've chosen your argument, you're going to spend 3 to 5 minutes in analyzing it. So you're going to consider such things as the genre of the argument. What type is it? Where's the source? Where'd you get it from? Was it just a random file on the internet? Was it published in a particular venue? What is the purpose of the argument? What is its intended audience? And the source can help you with that. So sometimes if you know, hey, this was published in, say, Parenting Magazine, it's aimed toward parents. Or if this was from, Motorcycle Magazine, then it's aimed at motorcycle riders. So you can tell a little bit about the audience. Sometimes you have to go by just what the ad contains itself. So if you're looking at the ad or other image. So if you're looking at something that's showing teens texting in a car, then it's geared toward drivers, particularly younger drivers, for example. You can include a little bit of background in the issue or topic being addressed. Be careful not to go into too much detail on this because the point of your presentation is to say how the argument is being made, not to make the argument or reiterate it. But you can give us a little bit of background on the topic. So say your image is arguing that people should spay and neuter their pets. You can throw out a few statistics explaining how many cats and dogs are euthanized every year, day, whatever. That just says here's why they're making this claim. When you look at your argument, you consider the main claim that's being made, supporting claims if there are any supporting claims, any assumptions behind any of the claims. Is the visual argument making appeals to ethos, pathos, logos, and or kairos? How is it doing so? How are they using typeface? What kind of font are they using? To what effect? How are they using white space? How is that working? What kind of layout? What kind of color? Those are all important things. You can look at the features of photographs. What colors are they using? What angle is it at? Is it a high angle, a low angle? How close is the subject to the camera? How is it framed? Is it in the center? Is it off to the side? And you can look at things like fallacies that the argument is committing. Are there flaws? Are they using tricks to prey on people, or perhaps just mistaking a fallacy for logic? Make sure that you are focusing your presentation on analyzing the argument, so don't spend too much time on background information, and certainly you don't want to just describe it to us. So if you're telling us there's a blue circle in the upper right corner, tell us what effect that has. Why are they doing that? There are a lot of ways you can organize this presentation. You can just do a video of yourself speaking and pointing to an image. That's very simple. You could do a PowerPoint that has background music and captions highlighting different portions of the image. You could do a film clip with captions. There are several examples, and there's a very long list of past students that did different things, and you can see how they did it. All your presentation must be in the video, and you need to have both auditory and visual elements. I have the link for samples videos on eCampus. You can go see my playlist on YouTube of previous students' visual argument analyses. If you would like to allow your presentation to be used to shown to my future students, you need to give me permission. When you upload your video, give permission in the comment section saying that I can share this with future students, and you can get 5 extra points on your grade. So instead of a maximum grade of 100, you get a maximum grade of 105.